Smoked barbecue burger. You all ready? Let's go. First, we're going to be seasoning our patty with some pepper on the outside, just like so. Very nice. Now we're going to be coating both sides with holy cow and meat church seasoning. Smoke this at 225 degrees so it reaches 145 for a perfect medium. Horseradish burger sauce. We're going to be taking in an amazing Cup Woebers sauce, which is horseradish mayonnaise. Then adding in a little bit of garlic, parsley, W sauce. Give this a nice gentle mix just like so. Very nice. Perfection. Once the burgers are ready, we're going to be adding in our sharp cheddar cheese. Get that a nice melt. Go ahead and start on our buns by toasting it. Then adding in our wonderful sauce right on top. Finishing this off with some arugula. Our burger patty goes right on top of that. Then adding in our barbecue pulled pork, wonderful fried onions, caramelized onions, and the top of the bun. And there we have it, an amazing smoked barbecue burger with the smoked patty, barbecue pulled pork, barbecue sauce, fried and pickled onions right on top. And there we have it. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now. You hear? Bye-bye.